Hey everyone, Jane here from Attrell Toyota here in Brampton, and right now you are looking at the brand new 2020 Corolla LE with a standard package. Now this isn't our new color as well. This is called Celestite. I absolutely love it. It's kind of like a silver bluey, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And of course, everything about this vehicle has really changed as it's now built on the new TNGA platform. So of course, what I'm going to do for you is give you a walk around of the exterior. I'm going to try and show you as many features as I possibly can, and then I'm going to bring you inside. Now keep in mind throughout this vehicle, if there's anything that I've missed, or if you'd just like to know more information about it, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below, and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. Or of course, come on down to 110 Canam Cres here in the Brampton Auto Mall and speak to one of our salespeople, as they would be more than willing to help you out. But back to this beautiful Corolla. So starting at the front here, we have this new grille. It's definitely a more of aggressive looking grille. You of course have your giant chrome Toyota emblem there, which does have a bit of a gloss casing over it, and that is because it supports our Toyota safety sense. So just behind that gloss casing is a millimeter wave radar that works in conjunction with a camera that's just behind the windshield that will provide you your pre-collision system. But I will get more into the Toyota safety sense as we're inside the vehicle. Our headlights are bi-LED headlights, so as you can see, there's just one bulb there that works for both your high and low beams. Moving along the sides, in the LE standard package, you are getting 16-inch steel wheels with silver hubcaps. The side view mirrors have been relocated, and that is just for a little added visibility for the driver. So they used to be up here on the windshield, now they're down here on the door. Your door handles are color keyed to the vehicle. Your fuel cap is on the driver's side. On the rear here, of course, we have LED taillights and of course your chrome badges. I love the fact that the taillights do wrap up along the side of the vehicle, always a great look. You have black outlining all those windows, and there you have it, the brand new 2020 Corolla LE with a standard package. Let's go inside. So bringing you into the rear seat of the vehicle, that black fabric material is carried throughout, as well as that beautiful patterning going down the center of the seats. So again, comfortable and eye-catching. You do have your contoured front seat back. So as you can see, there's a bit of a curve to those front seats, which just allows for a little more leg room from the back passenger in front of them. So I'm about 5'8", and I have this seat set to where I would drive, and as you can see, I still have tons of room. So tall people, you are welcome in the 2020 Corolla. You have a seat back pocket in your passenger side seat. Of course, we have bottle holders in both the doors back here and the ability of opening and closing your own windows. Our child locks for baby seats are very, very easy and accessible to find, which I think is a great feature, as I just did a walk around of some other competitive vehicles and it's not so easy to find those. So good job, Toyota. I love that safety is always in the forefront for you guys. So there you have it, my friends, the passenger compartment of the 2020 Corolla LE Standard. Inside the trunk, I love to call this the deceiving trunk. From the outside of this vehicle, you do not look like you have that much room, but as soon as you open it up, you will be surprised with how much room you actually do have. We also have your 60/40 folding back seat, so of course you can flip the big half or the small half down, fit some longer gear, say skis or snowboards, golf clubs, anything like that. Still have room for some passengers, or of course you can flip them both down. You will eliminate the back seats, but you will definitely extend that cargo space. Now just underneath here is where you can find your spare tire, as well as all of your tools to switch it. So there you are, the trunk of the Corolla. All right, so time for the cherry on top of this absolutely stunning vehicle, and that is the engine. So underneath the hood here, you are looking at our 1.8 liter 4-cylinder VALVEMATIC engine, and this is actually from last year's LE Eco Corolla. So I know as soon as you heard that word eco, you want to know how fuel efficient it is, and let me tell you, we will not disappoint. We are sitting at 7.1 liters combined for highway and city driving for 100 kilometers. Also, it does provide quite a bit of horsepower. So you are looking at 139 horsepower and 126 pound-feet of torque. And this is for the LE lineup. Now, when you do go to the SE lineup, you're gonna get a little bit more power. So if power is what you're looking for, definitely search the SE video on our YouTube page. But for now, that pretty much sums up this absolutely gorgeous 2020 Corolla with an LE standard package. I hope you like what you're watching. If you did, go check out our YouTube channel, because we have tons of videos of all the cars, trucks, and SUVs that we have here on the lot, plus some extras. Also, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and share them with your friends. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all under Attrell Toyota. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great one.